Hey everyone, welcome back to Skills Island. So last time we reached this far. So we'll start working next. This animation is going on here. So we have to create this animation from here, I guess. So for that I just have to do some parenting things here. So for that I am taking a null object and placing it at the top. So first of all I have to parent all these shapes with the null. That's it. Also it's a small effect, we don't need to parent this thing. All these things are parented, all these layers are parented with layer 21, this one. So I'm going to parent this layer to null. Also this layer is parented with layer 21, this one. So we already parent this layer. It's a small layer, we don't need to parent it. This one and this one is parented to 16th layer. So I'm going to parent this layer to null object. Let's see, this is the effect. This layer is not parented with anything, so I'm going to parent it with null. This layer is parented with 14. Okay, this is okay. Also all these layers are not parented with anything, so I'm going to parenting it with the null object. That's it. So at this point, where's the hand? This is the hand, so I don't need to parent this hand here, so I'm going to remove the parenting of this hand. Also now I'm going to give a position, going to few frames forward and just move this layer. So when I am moving this layer, now there is a problem is happening here. The problem is because of these background layers. So what I am going to do, I am going to do one thing. I'll just select all these layers and just place this layer inside a comp. So this is it, and now I just parent this layer to the null object. Now I'm going to the null layer and just move this thing downwards like this. Also I'm going to place this layer a little bit, so yeah, this is looking good to me. Yeah, this is good to go. So at this point what I am going to do, the shot is completed. So I am selecting all these layers and just let's see, slow animation, slide 1, slide 2, low animation, then slide 3. So I'm going to pre-comp it by slide 3. Also at this point I am going to cut this layer, cutting this comp from here and pasting this comp here in our final project. Just adjusting this layer here so that, let's see what is going on. Yeah, this is look good to me. Also, I'm going to do one thing. I am going to just deleting the rest of comp from here. Yeah, this is it. And also I am going to cut this comp as well. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, this looks good to me. Now, so for that I am going to Freepik here. Searching for relaxing, just make it sure to check the vector and free thing here. Okay, I am going to use this one graphic. I already downloaded this graphic here. So now I'm going to extract. It's already extracted. So I'm going to open this layer in AI. Yeah, the file is opened here. So let's cut this, all these objects, and pasting it in the 1920 by 1080 frame. Also adjust my frame, just grouping this and aligning with the artboard. Okay, this is it. Is it cool? Maybe it's a little bit small here, and also align it something like this, moving it a little bit down side. Yeah, this is good actually. Also I am saving this comp by slide 4. Okay, that's it. Now I have to separate all these objects. Also I'm going to delete the needles in the watch. We will animate it in After Effects, so I'll also create it there. So yeah, so this point I am going to do something here also. So I am just separating these things as well. First of all, I am going to ungroup the things which I have grouped. This is it. Cool. I am just separating those things which I have to, animate in After Effects. So it's a kind of boring work, but yeah, it has to be necessary if you want to, animate things. You also have to, do the boring part. So this is it. Also, this is the background. So there you go. And now the sofa. Yeah, it's done. Now, first of all, for these thing, first we just separate these specs here, because we need to move the eyes. So this is the specs. Now I am going to separate the eyebrow. Okay, what is going on? Okay, one eyebrow is inside the group and second one is outside. Yeah, I'm pasting it here, selecting, cut both eyebrows from here and just pasting it here. Cool. Now going to the next part, the eyes. So this is the eye, and that's it. So I need this is above the body, so I need to separate the head from the body. Let's see, where is our head? So I'm going to cut this thing and pasting it here. Now I can pick the head. Yeah, it's cool. So I am pasting it in different layer. Also, don't forget to save in between. Sometime save the file in between. It's a good practice, Okay. So this is the body, so I'm going to cut. Yeah, also need neck together with the body. So at this point, yeah, we got our body, but there is a problem is happening. Just see what is going on with the leg. Yeah, cool, no issue. So now I am going to save this file and closing it from here. Clear these things, and now I am jumping back to my After Effects and just do one thing, import that file. I'll import it from here. What was our file name? Slide 4. So this is the file. I'm going to import this file here, and now going inside this slide and opening all the layers. So first of all, I need this background should has to be at the below of each and everything, and also after that this sofa should be above the background. So that is it. Also I have to do some placements here as well. So I'm going to move this hand, also naming it hand 1. What is this? Yeah, it's a leg. So leg 1, this is another leg. Leg 2, this is body, this is hand 2, and this is head, this is eyes, I guess. Yeah, it's eyes, this is eyebrow, and this is specs. Yeah, that's it. So let's do some parenting thing here. Also I have to place this body. Where's our leg? Yeah, leg should be above the body, and also going to parent legs with the body, hand with the body, and hand 2, also head with the body, eyes, eyebrows, and specs with the head. Okay, let's start working. It's hand 1. So I am going to place these anchor points. Hand 2, the body anchor point should be here. Leg. So I'm going to rotate from here, or I guess here. This is leg 1, and leg 2 is here. Okay, and I have done it. Head anchor point should be here. If you are not able to adjust your anchor points, sometimes this thing will happen. They are the anchor point is automatically selecting the points. So just press control, and then you can manually select it. That's it. So at this point I am going to do some animation over here. So at this point I'm going to start with the legs. So I'm going to rotate it a little bit here, going to 5 frame forward, just -1, -3 is sufficient to me. Also I'm going to 3 this thing and going to the 10th frame and just copy pasting these things. Okay, also where is our body? Yeah, there you go. Also I'm going to give a position as well as rotation. So at this point I'm going to At this point I am thinking to move this body downwards a little bit, but the legs is also moving, so I am going to do one thing. I am going to remove these parenting of both legs here. Now I can move the upper body. Yeah, that's it. And at this point I'm going to do a portion here. As of now I am just this is it. Also I'm going to give a rotation and position in the head as well. At this point I am moving the head a little bit here. Also I am going to rotate it something like this, and at this point I'm just copy pasting these frames here. Yeah, this is good. Also need to give some effects in it, so need a jump expression here. So just copy this jump expression and giving in these keys. So also there's a cutting thing. Yeah, now it's fine. Yeah, this is cool. Now let's work on these things. So I'm going to give a position in these objects. At this point they'll jump from out of the screen. Yeah. Also giving easy ease. Yeah, that's it. Also need a jump here, so it's a jump. Again they'll land here. Need one more jump. Yeah, and the final landing. So this is the final landing. Yeah, this has to be a little bit closer. Cool. Okay. Also need needles for this clock, so I'm going to create a shape layer here. This is my shape layer, and the color should be like this, increasing the stroke size. This is it. Also, where is the anchor point? Yeah, this anchor point should be here. Also need one more shape here, so taking one more shape. This time I need an eclipse, something like this. Stroke, we no need of any stroke. That's it. Okay, selecting this shape layer. The anchor point should be at the center. The needle is also here at this point. This is okay. Let's see, the rotation is going proper. Yeah, it's going cool actually. So that's it. Time multiply by 50. This is the expression I am giving, and this is the minute needle. Also, I need a hour needle as well. So hour needle, I am going to the rotation. Okay, and this should be 5. Also have to reduce the size of this needle. So this needle is something like good to go. And all these things I am parenting with the clock. This is the clock, right? Yeah. Cool. This is it. Also, I have some objects here as well. So these two and these two. So I have to do the same thing. The moving jump expression. So I'm going to place a key here. At this point, I'm just moving these things upwards. Also, these are gone. These also should out of the screen. Just fit it. Yeah, at this point, that's okay. At this point, I'm moving it upwards. Going this point, moving it downwards. At this point, a little bit up. This point, need to copy these keys here. Yeah, cool. Also, I'm going to do some animation here as well. A slight kind of animation I'll do. So I'm going to give a position here. How much what is the duration of this? Actually, just see what is the duration we are getting here. It is coming from 6 and it is moving. So 1 2 3 4 seconds we just need. So going inside this slider and just wrap this animation in 4 seconds. This no, why I'm selecting this? I just have to select both of these and place it at the top. Also, we need this should be also here, and placement I'm going to do something like this. Okay, this is cool. Also, I am going to give position here for 4 seconds. I am moving this thing a little bit here. Okay, also layer 8, where is our objects? Parenting it with layer 8. Where is layer 8? This is layer 8. Okay, also I am going to give a position here to a slight movement. Yeah, layer 11 also going to do with these things as well. So layer 11, this is it. And now I'm going to give a rotation here, copy pasting this rotation. This is too fast, so I'm going to give, no, still too fast. So I'm going to give this much. Yeah, this is it. Also, I am going to where is our hand actually? Yeah, there you go. Also, this is our second hand, so I'm going to give a puppet tool here. So at this point, I'm going to move this thing. At this point, I'm going to just copy this key here. That's it. Also, I'm going same with the second hand. This point, selecting the puppet tool, moving this hand upwards, going to this frame, just copy pasting this frame here. Yeah, it's looking cool. So at this point, I am going to copy these keys here, copy these two keys, just copy these two keys and pasting it here. Now again I am going to this frame, okay, and just copy pasting these keys. Yeah, same I'm going to do with this thing here. and at this point, yeah, I need this point. This key should be at this point. Yeah, so it is look like, yeah, this is it. Also, if I'll do one more thing. I'll just animate the lag also. Yeah, we can use a puppet here as well. So for that, I am going to selecting this puppet, and also for key reference I need to open legs here. So at this point, yeah, I'm going to again place some keys here, going to this frame, and is it looking good? Actually, it should be just deleting this layer and placing it a little bit above. Just giving easy ease at this point. Just copy this frame. Okay, again copying these frames. And just copy this frame here. Now need a second leg. Where is our second leg? Yeah, this is our second leg. So again, I am going to do the same thing here. Open the keys, going to this point, moving this a little bit above, and going to this point, just pasting this key here. That's it. Now I'll copy these keys, going to this frame, again copy these keys here, and at the end just copying these things. Let's see what we have created as of now. There. This is looking good to me. And one more thing we just left here. I need the eye blinks are left, so I'm going to do the eye blinks here. Scale, going to 5 frame forward. Oh, there is a noise coming, and also there is a problem is happening here when I am scaling it. Yeah, this is not going good actually. So what I'm going to do, I am going to create a shape here. Yeah, I'm going to create a shape, something like this. Yeah, just placing the anchor point at the center, and also have to change the color to this one color. Yeah, that's it. Cool. Okay, and it should be rotation, should be, yeah, rotate something like this, placing it exact above the eyes, and also parent this eyes with the head. Cool. Now I am going to give a scale animation in this eyes, going to 5 frame forward and just placing it, scaling it something like this, going to 5 frame forward and just copy paste these keys here. Also give an easy ease and one more key here, and also give a loop out expression. Okay, loop out expression here. So this is it. Also have to duplicate this layer and just placing this eye to this point. We don't need this layer as of now, so I am going to delete it. That's our eyes as done. Now eyebrow is left, so I'm going to give a position animation in the eyebrow here. I'm going to again 5 frame forward, copy pasting this frame, selecting all these keys, pressing F9, one more key here. Also going to give a loop out expression here. Yeah, going good actually, but I also need to, I am thinking that something is, I also need some animation in the body as well. So for that I am going to open some keys for reference. At this point I am going to give a position here. At this point I have opened hand, but I need body, so I'm going to place a key at body here. At this point I am going a little bit upwards, not too much, so I'm going to give an easy ease here. So our animation will look like, smooth. Let's see, this is going good or not. Yeah, this is going cool. So this is it. Also one more thing, I just have to animate the cat. The cat is left, so I am going to do not that much animation in it, but just I'll do the animation in the tail. This part is moving, so I am going to, yeah, there's it. So there's a puppet tool here, and at this point, at 1 second, I am going to give it here. Yeah, at this point, on the second point, I am going to move like here. At third point, I am going to place it here, and at this point I'm going to copy paste this keys. So let's see what is going on. This is too much actually, so I'm going to do, I have to delete one key here and also adjust this animation something like this. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, this will work. So this is it. Our this shot is done. Now I'm going to just place it. Actually, the shot is done, I guess now. So I'm going to place it here. At this point. Sorry. Yeah, I've cut from here, so I have to just paste it here. This is it. It should be below this layer. So at this point, position, this point. Okay, and here I'm moving this thing something like this. I'm going to give an easy ease. Okay, something like this. Yeah, this is cool. So we have completed this far. Also, see, there's a scale here. So I'm going to give a scale, a slight scale, not that much. 105 is okay for me. This is it. And also this point, I am going to move this thing here. There you go. So I have to change the adjustment here. Yeah, it's cool. This should be. It's done. Just one thing I have to add in the background. A shape has to be placed in the background, so I'm going to place a white background here, so it will be easy for our next shot. So this is it as of now. Okay guys, if you like these videos, please subscribe us and also support us. It will help us to create these kind of videos, these kind of content for you. So that's all. Okay, bye.